This tutorial teaches you how to use the mapping feature instead of using copy and paste. To begin with, click the Clear Data button. This removes the existing data from the standard template. Next, open the Excel file, which contains your data. To put the data in the standard template, we shall use the mapping feature, instead of using copy and paste. Mapping saves your time, and is to be done once only. In the mapping process, you have to associate each column in the standard Excel file with the relevant column in your Excel file. The mapping process is now complete. Next, click the button, Import Data from your Excel file, and specify the row numbers. This will populate the data in the standard template. Next, start the udiMagic software, and select the option, Excel to Tally. Next, select the option, Import Data in Tally. Next, select the standard Excel file. Next, click the Start button, to import data into Tally. Please note that, the demo version will process and import 5 records only. After the data is imported, use the option, Gateway of Tally, Display, Daybook, to view the data in Tally software.